Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some exercise questions from input and output. So let us begin. Now, in the previous lectures, we discussed that there are three types of problems in input and output. The first type is number series. That means you would get an input. The entire input would be of 4, 6, 8, 9, 3, 4, so on. And type 2 was alphabet and word series. That means the entire input would be of words or alphabets. It could be like A, K, L, M, something like this, or it could be even words like your, is, time, any random words. It could be a series of that. Or we have type 3 mixed number and word series. That means we have the input. The entire input can be a mixture of two, like 56, your, 21, side, something like this, So in the previous lectures, we discussed simple questions to get the basic understanding. In today's lecture, we will discuss these two types in detail. These two types we will cover in detail, and this particular type we will do in the next lecture. Okay, so let us start. The type 1 is number series. Number series means the input is entirely made up of numbers. Now, how do we solve questions on input and output? Basically, if you get an input, let's say like 58, 24, 12, and the output of that particular input is, let's say 13, 6, and 3. So the first step would be to decode. How do we get this output? So simply 5 plus 8 will give me 13. 2 plus 4 will give me 6, and 1 plus 2 will give me 3. So this is the logic that is being used to get this output, correct? In the question, we would have a separate input. Now, in the question, we would have an input, let's say 14, 12, and 92. And we have to find the output of this input based on this logic. So this logic we inferred that this is basically the sum. So the output would be 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 2, 3, and 9 plus 2, 11. This would be the output to this input. So this is how we solve questions on input and output. In this particular question, which is your first type, that is number series, we have questions 1 to 5, okay, based on this particular input. So this input has how many steps? 5 steps. Step number 5 will be the last step, or you can call it the final output, right? Step 5 is the final output. So the first thing to do would be to figure out the logic that is being used to get this, and based on that same logic, we will find the output to this particular input as well. Okay, so let us start. If I look at this question, if I look at this input, we have 91, 53, 72, 14, 39, 24, 85, 76, 61, and 67. Now, if I look at step 1, do we see a change? Okay, 91 is same, 53 is same, 72 is same, then 14 is not here, 39 is same, 85, 24 is also not here. So the missing terms are 14 and 24. 85 is here, 76 is here, 61 is here, 67 is here. Now I see two terms over here, 15 and 25. Correct? 15 is the lowest term and 25 is the second lowest term. Correct? This is the second lowest. So basically what we have done is we have taken the lowest to be on the left side, and we have taken the second lowest to be on the right side. This is what we have done. Plus, there is an addition of 1 because 14 has been changed into 15 and 24 has been changed into 25. So, what is the thing that is done in the first step? Basically, the lowest number is taken on the left end. Correct? The lowest number is taken on the left end. The second lowest number is taken on the right end. Second lowest taken on the right end. Plus, we have added 1 in both numbers. This is what we have done in step 1. Okay. Now, let us check for step 2. For step 2, this will be the input. Step 1 will be the input and step 2 would be the output. So, for step 2, I can see 15 is here. Okay. Then I can see 91. 40 is missing. Okay. Then I can see 53 being missing. I have 72, I have 39 missing. Then I have 85, 76, 61, 67 and 25, and I see a new number 54. So again, 39 is the next lowest number after 15. So 15 we have already performed operation on. So we have to basically not keep 15 and 25 in mind. They are already in their place, okay? This is fixed position. So the next lowest number is 39, which is added 1 and come over here. And the second lowest number is 53, to which we have added 1 and it has come on the right end. So same operation is being done on step 2 also. Okay, same operation being done on step 2 also. Now let us check for step 3. In step 3, which two numbers will be fixed? Because we have already performed operation on them, 40 and 15. So we don't have to look at these numbers. These numbers are already in their fixed positions, okay? So 91 I can see a new number 63. 72 is in the same place, 85 is there, 76 is there, then 61 is missing, then we have 67. Okay, sorry, then we don't have 67, so 67 is also missing. So now I can see two numbers are missing, 61 and 67, and two new numbers I can see, 62 and 68. So after fixing the position of 54, the next lowest number was 61. So we have added 1 into it to get 62. And the second lowest number was 67, to which we have added to get it on the right hand. So same logic performed in step 3 also. In step 3, these three positions will be fixed, right? These three positions will be fixed in step 3. So now this lowest number will be 72, correct? So 72 plus 1 will come over here, which is 73. And the second lowest number will be 76, to which we will add 1 and it will come over here. Correct? Step 5 also, let us check. All the positions up till this number are fixed, correct? All the positions up till this number are fixed. These are the fixed position. So the only remaining numbers are 91 and 85. So 85 is the lowest number now, to which we will add 1 and 86 will come over here. Similarly, 91 is the second lowest, to which we will add 1 and 92 will come over here. So basically, this logic is being followed up till the last number. So up till the operation is being performed on each and every number, we will follow this logic. So now let us solve this input using the same logic. Using the same logic, we will find the answer to this input. We will find the output. Okay. So step 1. Step 1 will be to find the lowest number. The lowest number I can see here is 16. And the second lowest number I can see here is 28. So now I will add 1. So 16 will become 17. And 28 will come over here, become 29, because 29 will come on the right hand. Because look over here, lowest is going on the left hand and second lowest is going on the right hand. So 17 will come over here, 29 will come over here. Rest, they will be in the same sequence, correct? So it will be 58, 40, 99, 63, 84, then 34, 71 and 87. These will be in this sequence only, correct? Then we will have step 2. Step 2, same logic. So now position of 17 is fixed. This will not move. And position of 29 is fixed. This will not move. Now let us look at the lowest number. Lowest number will be 34. And the second lowest number I can see is 40. So 17 will come over here. 29 will come over here. Correct? 34 we will add 1. We will get 35. And in 40 we will add 1. We will get 41. So 41 will come over here. Now the rest of the numbers will be arranged in the same sequence. So 58, 99, 63, 84, 71 and 87. Correct? This is how we will get it. Moving on to step 3. So in step 3, these positions are fixed. We have already fixed these positions. Now we will look at the lowest number. The lowest number will be 58. So plus 1, 59. Correct? And over here, the second lowest number will be 63. So plus 1, 64 will come over here. So 35 and 17 will come as it is. And 29 and 41 will come as it is. So the rest of the numbers, 99, 84, 71 and 87 will be arranged like this. Correct? Moving on to step 4. Step 4, again, positions these 3 positions are fixed. These 3 positions are already fixed and these 3 positions are already fixed. Now the lowest number I can see is 71. So it will become 72 and come here. And the second lowest number I can see is 84, which will become 85 and come here. So these 3 numbers will go as it is, 59, 35 and 17. And same here, 29, 41 and 64. So the only 2 numbers remaining are 99 and 87, which will come in sequence like this. Correct? Moving on to step 5. Step 5, up till this number we have already fixed. Over here also up till this number we have already fixed. So the lowest number is this one, which is 87, which will become 88. And the second lowest number is 99, which will become 100. The rest sequence will remain the same. So it will be 72, 59, 35, 17. And then 29, 41, 64 and 85. This will be our final output. The step 5 will be our final output. Clear? So this is how you solve questions on input and output based on number series. So first identify the logic and then solve the question based on the same logic. Okay? Now, I am deleting these squares and circles so that we can solve the questions and highlight if required. Because these are already highlighted. So I am removing the highlights so that we can solve the questions. Okay? Moving forward to the questions. Question number 1 asks, how many numbers are there between 59 and the one which is third from the left of 85 in step 5? Okay, so the first thing we need to find out is third to the left of 85 in step 5. So in step 5, I am going back to the arrangement. In step 5, I can see 85 to be here. Correct? And we have to find out third to the left. So third to the left will be 1, 2 and 3. We have 29. So third to the left of 85 is 29. Correct? Now, we have to find out how many numbers are there between 59 and 29. So 59 is over here and 29 is over here. So between them we have 1 and 2. We have 2 numbers. So if I look at the options, option number 5 says 2. This will be the correct answer. Option number 5 will be the correct answer. Okay? Moving forward to question number 2. Question number 2, we are asked how many numbers are there between the one which is second from the left end and 99 in step 2. So first thing we have to look is second from the left in step 2. So going back to the arrangement, this is step 2. This is your left end, this is your right end. Second from the left will be 17. Second from the left will be 17 and we have to find out how many numbers are there between 17 and 99. So between 17 and 99, we have only one number which is 58. Okay. Going back to the options, we have to find out how many numbers are there. So only one number is there which is 58. So answer will be option number 1, 1. Clear? Answer will be option number 1, 1. Question number 3. Question number 3, what is the position of 35 from the left end in second last step? So second last step for us is 5th step, correct? The last step is 5th step. So second last step will be 4th step. Second last step will be 4th step. So we have to first look at the 4th step. So this step we are looking at. And we have to find the position of 35 from left. Correct? So this is our left and this is our right. So position of 35 from left. This is 35. Position of 35 from left in step 4 will be 1, 2, 3. It is third from the left. It is third from the left. So third is given in which option? It is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer. Okay. Option number 4 will be the correct answer. Moving forward to question number 4. Question number 4 says, which of the following number is 6th to the left of 29 in third step? So, first we have to find 29 in third step. Going back to the arrangement, this is step 3. We have to find, first we have to find 29. So, 29 is in step 3, 29 is over here. Then we have to find 6 to the left. So, this is our left side, correct? This is our left side. 6 to the left will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 to the left of 29 in step 3 is 35. Going back to the options. Option number 1 says 35. So this will be our answer. Okay. Option number 1 will be our answer. Clear? Question number 5. Question number 5 says, which of the following number is fifth from the right end in step 5? So from step 5, we have to find out fifth from the right. So let us go back to the arrangement. This is the right end. So step 5 is this one. Fifth to the right. Fifth to the right will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 29 will be fifth from the right. Correct? 29 will be fifth from the right. Going back to the arrangement, 29 is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay? Option number 4 will be the answer. Okay. So this was number series. Now we have type 2, which is alphabet and word series. So a word arrangement machine, when given an input line of words, rearranges it in every step following a certain rule. We have to first find that rule, and then we have an input line of words and various steps of rearrangement. So what happens is, for example, if we have a input of, let's say, ALQT, okay, and or ALQB, let's say, and the machine on feeding this input, it arranges it in an output, and the output says A, B, L, Q. So what is the logic? The logic is that they have arranged it in increasing alphabetical order. So we have to find the logic that is being used and then make the output. Okay. So going to the question. This is the input. This input has step 4, and step 4 is the last step for this input. So that means step 4 is the final output, correct? Step 4 is the final output. So we have to find out, in each of this question we will be given an input line and we have to find the output. So to do that, first we have to identify the logic that is being used. Okay? First we have to find the logic that is being used. Now, if you remember your alphabets, if I rank them in order of increasing alphabets, increasing alphabetical order, okay, so the first word will be A. Let us look at the first letters only. A, G, T, E, B, S. So after A, we have B, then we have E, then we have G, then we have S, and then we have T. So I am giving them ranks. I am giving them ranks of 4, 1, 6, 3, 2, and 5. Correct? Now let us look at step 1. In step 1, we have taken 6 to be outside. This is 4, this is 1, this is 3, this is 2, and this is 5. So this arrangement remains same. 4, 5, 3, 2, 5 remain same. Only 6 has been taken on the outside. Okay. In step 2, the arrangement becomes 6, 1, 4, 3, 2, and 5. So now I can see the position of 1 has changed. The position of 1 has changed. Position of 1 has changed. 1 has been taken to the left end. So what is the logic? In step 1, we took the, or you can say the maximum alphabetical order, or you can say the highest alphabetical order, highest alphabetical order taken to left end, correct? Taken to left end. Then after that, in step 2, we took the lowest alphabetical order, taken to the left end. Correct? This was what happened in step 2. Coming to step 3. Now let us look at step 3. In step 3, this is 6 and 1. So this is fixed. Now we have 5, 4, 3, 2. So 6 and 1 are already fixed. The next thing that we have did is we have taken 5 to the outside. So again, after 6 and 1 is fixed, we have taken the highest alphabetical order taken to the left end. Moving forward to step 4, what we have did is, this is 6, 1, 5. This is already fixed, right? Now, the next that we have did is, we have taken 2 and then 4 and 3. So, 4 and 3 are also already arranged. 2 is the lowest alphabetical order after 6, 1 and 5. So, this is taken to the left hand. So, basically, we are alternating between highest and lowest alphabet. So, in the first step, we take the highest alphabetical order to the left. And in the next step, we take the lowest alphabetical order to the left. Okay. So, based on this logic, we have certain questions. Let us answer them. This is the input. This is the input. We have to find the third step for this input. We have to find the third step. So, if I mark them according to the number, numerology, I am looking at C, O, S, Q, D and F. So, obviously C will be first, then we will have D and then we will have F. Correct? Then we have O, then we have Q and then we will have S. Correct? So, this will be the terminology. So, first thing we have to do is take the highest one to the left hand. So, the highest one to the left hand will be, let me write it over here, step 1, or let me write it over here. Step 1, taking the highest one will be 6. Correct? This is the highest one, 6. And the sequence will remain the same. So, it will be 1, 4, 5, 2, 3. Correct? In step 2, 6 and 1 are already fixed. 6 and 1 are already fixed. So, we will move on to the next biggest number, which is 5. So, it will be 6, 1, 5 and the remaining sequence will be same, 4, 2, 3. So, 5 and 4 are already fixed now. 5 and 4 are already fixed. Sorry, 6, 1, 5 are already fixed. Now, we have to take the next lowest alphabet. So, step 3 will be taking the next lowest alphabet. So, next lowest alphabet will be 2. So, it will be 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. It will be 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. Because if you look at the original arrangement, we have 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. This is the final output. This is the final output. This is the arrangement that we want. 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. So, over here, 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3 is achieved in step 3. So, if I put it like this, 6 is star. 1 is car, 5 is quick, 2 is demand, I am writing below this, 4 is on and 3 is fat. So, we have star, car, quick, demand, on, fat. This is given in which option? This is given in option number 2. Option number 2 says star, car, quick, demand, on, fat. So, this will be the correct answer. This will be the third step of this particular input. Okay, this will be the third step. Question number 2. Question number 2, this input is given. We have to find out which of the following will be the last step of the above input. So, we have to find the last step. So, we have I, H, Y, F, T, V. So, F is basically the first one, correct? Then we have 2, 3. Then we have 4. And then we have 5 and then we have 6. Correct? This will be 6. So now we have to find out in how many steps we will get the final arrangement. So step 1 will be taking the biggest number to the left hand. So it will become 6 and 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. Same sequence. Then we will take the smallest number to the left hand. So step 2 will be 6, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. Correct? Then we will take again the largest one, which is 5. So step 3 will be 6, 1, 5, then 3, 2, 4. Then we will take the lowest one. Lowest one is 2. So step 4 will be 6, 1, 5, 2, 3, 4. Correct? And then we will take the highest one, which is 4, to get step 5, which is 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. This was the final arrangement. 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. So this is achieved in which step? Step 5. So how many steps will be required to get the last step of the above input? 5 steps, which is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer. We need 5 steps to get the output. Okay. Coming to question number 3. If step 3 of an input is this is the step 3. What step would be warden, ink, town, garden, restore, examination? So this we have to find out. This is W, E, T, I, G and R. Correct? So if you remember, E will be number 1. Correct? Then we have garden. Then we have ink. Correct? Then we will have restore, town and warden. So in step 3, the arrangement is 6, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. So 6, 1, 5 is already arranged. 6, 1, 5 is already arranged. Now let us look at this one. This is W, so 6, I, so 3. Town is, which one? Town is 5, garden is 2, restore is 4 and examination is 1. So the input, let's say, the step we don't know, it could be before step 3 also or after step 3 also. It is given 6, 3, 5, 2, 4, 1. Now which of the following steps is more arranged? This one, definitely this one, because the final arrangement was 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. We needed this as the final arrangement, right? So this one is already more arranged. So that means before this, this will be before this. Okay, so if I arrange this further, it will be 6, 1 because this is the lowest and 3, 5, 2, 4. Correct? 6, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4. And if I arrange it further, it will be 6, 1. Now I'll take the highest, 5, 3, 2, 4. So this is step 3. This is step 3, correct? This is step 3. This will be step 2. And this will be what? This will be step 1. Because if I arrange step 1, I get step 2. And if I arrange step 2, I get step 3. So this is basically the third step. This is given to us already. This is the third step. So if this is third step, this will be step 1, which is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4, we have to find out the step 4 is given to us. Step 4 is this one. Okay. Step 4 is V, F, S, H, J and M. So if I number them, F will be 1. Correct? Then 2, 3. Correct? Then 4, 5, 6. So this arrangement is 6, 1, 5, 2, 3, 4. This is step 5. Step 4. This is step 4. We have to find out the step 2. So if I look over here, this particular one, this is 6. F is 1. S is how much? S is 5. H is 2. J is 3 and this is 4. So this is the same arrangement. Same arrangement cannot be step 2 because we have to rearrange. So this is not the correct answer. Okay. This is step 4. Now let us look at this one. So violet is 6. F is 1. Journey is 3. H is how much? 2. S is 5 and medium is 4. So now over here we have 6, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. Let's say this is step 2. Correct? If this is step 2, we need a step 3. What will be the step 3? Step 3 will be 6, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. Correct? 6, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. This will be step 3. Step 4 will be 6, 1, 5, 2, 3, 4. Correct? This will be step 4. So if this is step 2, correct? If this is step 2, this will be step 3 and this will be step 4. So in this particular arrangement, this is step 4 and this is step 4. Are they same? Yes. So basically for second option, I can say that on arranging second option, if this is step 2, on arranging it, we will get this as step 3 and on arranging this, we will get this as step 4. So answer will be option number 2. On arranging option number 2, this could be the step 2 because if I arrange it, I will get step 4 as the same that is given in the question. So this will be my answer, which is step 2. Option number 2 will be the correct answer to this particular question. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.